Infuse for hosting such a nice event. We are also from the city of Infuse, so we are from Ahmedabad. And I'll just start off with a little introduction to Easy Solar, myself. I started a company called Gensol in 2007. I don't know, some of you might be knowing about us. So we started off in 2007. I graduated as a petroleum engineer, started it off. Today, Gensol is India's leading design consulting firm for solar projects. We've done more than 50% of the Indian market. We have a team of 80 people, raised our first venture cap in 2010, $2 million. That's what we've been doing in Gensol. And today, Gensol operates in multiple entities, multiple geographies. So a very stable business that we were able to build in about 5-7 years. So that's a little introduction. The idea why Easy Solar, what is Easy Solar doing, is that while we are doing this entire consulting work for a lot of the megawatts and gigawatts of solar projects that were coming in, we saw that there is this, every time I meet somebody who calls themselves a solar consultant, a solar installer, I note their name and number. At last count, I have met 6,000 such people. Who call themselves as solar consultants, solar installers, and maybe in Bangalore you have 200 to 300 of such people who will do 2 kilowatts, 5 kilowatts, 10 kilowatts for residential small factories and all of that. Now, what we found was that there were few things in which they were lacking. First thing in which they were lacking is that they did not have a proper design team. At Gensol, we could afford a design team. We could afford all these software because we were working with a lot of customers. But the problem with these small guys was that they did not have the requisite design experience. So they did not have the softwares. They did not have the team because it's small on a small basis. They cannot afford all of that. So we decided that how can we help them? And the other thing that we were always thinking at Gensol is that, how can we go ahead and serve these customers also? So that was one problem that we wanted to do. Two, we again thought that the 6,000 to 8,000 or maybe more such installers, they are, whenever they are buying some material from companies, from vendors, manufacturers, they are getting it at an exorbitant price. And because the scale is small, today you go and buy 2 kilowatt of panels, it maybe costs you 50 rupees a watt peak or 48 rupees a watt peak or whatever. But if you go and did a 100 kilowatt kind of a deal, maybe you'll get it at 36. So there's a lot of this, these people were not able to get efficiencies because they were operating on a small scale. And these were two things which we at Gensol kind of had a huge experience with. Because we have done close to 1,800 megawatt of design engineering work, and of course, when we do design engineering, there's an equivalent amount of procurement work also that we did. So we thought that why don't we help these people, and that's why we kind of created an online platform which is called EasySolar.com. And Easy Solar is basically, the job of Easy Solar is to make solar easy for everybody. It could be a green enthusiast. It could be essentially, my target audience is this 6,000 people whom I have met, and there are so many others whom I haven't met. So idea is that we are taking all our design skills online. So today we have two tools. We call it Solar Energy Assessment Report. Basically, you can do every rooftop. You just put in your lat long, or even you just put in your address. You can get an energy assessment report done for your roof, so how many kilowatts will it produce? And you can do various combinations. Supposing I used a Vikram module with an SMA inverter or some other various combinations that you can track. So you can do that. And the other thing that we have done is that you can do a layout. So if you just upload even a handwritten sketch of your a hand-drawn sketch of your roof and some images, our team will process it out and it will have the layout sent to you. So you would know that, for example, on top of this building, you can do a 10 kilowatt or you can do a 100 kilowatt. How much can you do? These are the first two questions that any person who's interested in setting up a solar, they ask. So these are two features that we have launched, but there are many more in the pipeline, and I'll discuss about all of them. So we thought that, the conventional people say, or, what people basically say, that solar is high, it's a nascent technology, works only during daytime. These were all reasons of not installing solar in 2010. Today, the only reason of why people are not installing solar is because they don't have information about who the who is the installer, what is the price that I'm paying, am I paying the price for a right kind of product, what can happen on my roof. People are not aware of that, and that's the problem that we are looking to solve. So we have, so essentially Easy Solar is being built up like a smart marketplace. It's a wedding of Flipkart with Just Dial. And so what we are trying, and on top of that, we are putting in our intelligence. So we are dividing the entire designing into 8 packs. So, you know, assessment is one, layouts is one, electrical BOQ is one, civil BOQ is the other. So we are dividing, so, and any guy can come in at any stage and get out at any stage. So you can, let's say you have a civil expertise, but you don't have an electrical expertise, but you need both to set up a solar plant. So you can go in and do the electrical thing and do civil yourself. So this will point out, once you go through our design, this will point out to the fact that which are the material on the marketplace that you have to buy. Today, it's very easy to do a marketplace, get all the vendors, put them online. There is a Magento platform, just do it. It's a pretty simple job. The idea is that if you were to buy on a Flipkart a tracksuit and which said you wanted to buy a 40 size black Reebok tracksuit, can you do the same for solar? Do you know it's a 60 cell, 72 cell? Do you know it's single MPPT, double MPPT? So there's a lot of confusion around it. So you go through the design process. The design process leads you to the marketplace to say, these are the products which are best suited for you, and then you go ahead and buy that. And let's say once you have gone ahead and bought it, you need some installer to come and install. So there's an Easy Solar verified installer listing. Listings, we typically at Gensol, and because a lot of this is happening, we're using the Gensol platform for a lot of things. So we get in like 20 to 30 inquiries a day, you know, which are not being addressed because Gensol doesn't address that market size. We don't address below 100 kilowatt of a market size. So we are transferring all of that to Easy Solar to create a listing experience wherein people, because installers, they're like I said, 6,000 installers that I have met, and maybe much more than them. Now, the idea is that can they be provided with quality leads? Can their quality be certified by us? And they come in as a, like how you have a Just Dial verified installer or a plumber or whatever, can we have a solar installer who is verified? They buy the material from the platform. They buy the material which because of, again, our expertise and the volumes that we drive can come at a very reasonable cost to them as compared to any other if they were to do themselves. So these are some value adds that we are adding. There's a little lack of time, but I'll be happy to interact at a late, you know, after this session on you know what exactly Easy Solar is doing. So I'll just close on where the journey is. So we have already, like I said, 2 features are launched. The marketplace is getting launched in the next maybe end of April. We already have more than 25 vendors who have enrolled, and I'm expecting about 200 vendors to enroll by mid-May. The listings have already started. We have another 150 installers who have signed up with us, and we are expecting many more installers. But getting installers is not the problem. Getting leads is the problem. The installer is easy. The leads is the problem, and leads is the problem that we already have solved with our Gensol platform. So this is, and I spoke about the management team behind it. The management team comprises of me, who is we've been in the industry for 8 years, and Puneet, who's my younger brother. Essentially, he's the one who was driving the consulting business, and Shivya, she was head of design at Gensol, so she's moved full time to Easy Solar now. So this is the management team that we have. Thank you.
As I'm hogging the mic. So a couple of things. I mean, if I were to look at like target audience, right? Have you targeted the builders? Because as they're coming up with these projects, I mean, it's obviously they are larger projects because they'll fall into Gensol, but there'll be also smaller needs.
Yeah, so sir, this, in fact, a lot of the builders are using it as a verification platform to say if there was a quotation that they are receiving from somebody, you know, they are coming onto the Easy Solar platform to get an assessment done and check out that is the promised assessment that the contractor wants to give, is it matching with, you know, are they over promising, are they under promising? So a lot of builders, a lot of banks, we're seeing a huge traction in the banking because banks fund all of these guys. So banks are coming to the platform to get, and we are using the assessment report in 3 different climate data sets. So we're using Meteornom, NASA, solar GIS, all these various climatic data sets also which are there. So you can get a very accurate number of your generation, and if you want to get a layout prepared, so you can also get a layout. So these are only the 2 features right now, but eventually when the entire thing will happen.
But these are kind of free offerings?
No, none of this is free.
Okay.
None of this
so
is
you're
free.
Charging for that? Okay.
But this is not free today. Our idea is that when we have our marketplace in about 2 months time, which is, or less than that when it is launched, then this entire, and you know, I will discuss it with IIM of what strategy we should follow, because they are our mentors. So, maybe that we will move on to, the services will move on to a freemium model, and the marketplace and the listing services is separate.
And how large do you think is this space?
Future, it will, I think India is going to do like, over the next 5 years, something like 30,000–40,000 megawatt of rooftops, which is 25,000 crores of opportunity. And there is no doubt of why Easy Solar will not be the preferred choice of buying platform for all these rooftops, because we have the design, there is a best pricing available, so there's no doubt on that.
So I'll probably catch up with you later.
Sure.
So you mentioned that about 6,000 or so or more people you have addressed, and this is a marketplace.
No, we've not addressed.
You have met with. Yeah. And this is a marketplace, and you're guiding for rooftop systems primarily in the sub 100 kilowatt category.
Yeah.
So essentially you are talking to installers or such people who primarily don't have their own background experience of doing solar.
Yeah.
So you're guiding them how to do it.
Exactly.
In this context, who takes the responsibility or the guarantee for the design? Who takes the responsibility and the guarantee for the products which you recommend or which they choose? And how does it go to the end user?
Sure, sir. So it's like if you buy a Samsung mobile from Flipkart, who's responsible? Samsung or Flipkart? Samsung is responsible for the warranty, right? So the products that you buy from the marketplace, the responsibility of the manufacturer. I am not selling my product. I'm selling a Vikram product or a SMA or a Vari or a Refusol. I'm selling.
No, but
their
the
products.
design is coming from your software.
Yeah, so design we are there, and the design is on a best effort basis. There is, of course, when I do a 50 megawatt design, that even on that side I'm not held responsible, because design is subject to actual implementation, actual how the engineering is one part, but then you have to procure and then you have to construct. So if it's only a small little portion of the entire deal, and we are nowhere responsible for any engineering lapse that you do because of your construction. If there is anything wrong which happens on the engineering, we can always.
So you don't have any liability in your books towards the design side?
Never ever. Never ever. Though at Gensol we have a very big civil liability insurance because our investors demand for it, but not at this level. Okay. Thank you.